Who is Louis Pasteur? Louis Pasteur was a French microbiologist and chemist who is widely regarded as one of the greatest scientists in history. Born on December 27, 1822, in Dole, France, Pasteur is best known for his groundbreaking work on the germ theory of disease and the process of pasteurization. Pasteur was educated at the École Normale Supérieure in Paris, where he studied chemistry and physics. After completing his studies, he began working as a professor of chemistry at the University of Strasbourg, where he began to focus his research on the properties of fermentation. In the mid-1800s, the process of fermentation was poorly understood, and many people believed that it was caused by spontaneous generation. Pasteur was one of the first scientists to propose that fermentation was caused by microorganisms, and he set out to prove his theory through a series of experiments. In one famous experiment, Pasteur demonstrated that microorganisms were responsible for the spoilage of wine. He showed that by heating the wine to a certain temperature, he could kill the microorganisms that caused the spoilage, a process that came to be known as pasteurization. Pasteur's work on fermentation and pasteurization was a major breakthrough in the field of microbiology, and it paved the way for further research into the role of microorganisms in disease. In addition to his work on fermentation and pasteurization, Pasteur also made important contributions to the field of immunology. He developed the first vaccines for rabies and anthrax, and his work on vaccination laid the groundwork for the modern field of immunology. Pasteur's work on the germ theory of disease was a major breakthrough in the field of medicine, and it had a profound impact on public health. Prior to Pasteur's discoveries, many diseases were poorly understood, and there was little that could be done to prevent their spread. Pasteur's work paved the way for the development of modern vaccines and antibiotics, which have saved countless lives over the years. Despite his many achievements, Pasteur faced many challenges throughout his life. He suffered from several health problems, including a stroke that left him partially paralyzed. He also faced opposition from some in the scientific community who were skeptical of his ideas and methods. Tragically, Pasteur died on September 28, 1895, at the age of 72. However, his legacy lived on, and his work continued to inspire scientists around the world. Today, he is widely regarded as one of the greatest scientists in history, and his contributions to the field of microbiology continue to be studied and celebrated. In recognition of his many achievements, Pasteur has been honored in many ways over the years. In 1888, he was elected a member of the Académie Française, and in 1892, he was awarded the Royal Society's Copley Medal. In addition, numerous prizes and awards have been established in his name, including the prestigious Pasteur Institute, which was founded in 1887 to continue his work on microbiology and immunology. In recent years, Pasteur's life and work have been the subject of many books, movies, and documentaries. These works have helped to raise awareness of his contributions to science and have helped to inspire a new generation of scientists to pursue their passions. In addition to his scientific achievements, Pasteur was also known for his commitment to public health and his dedication to helping others. He worked tirelessly throughout his life to improve the health and well-being of people around the world, and his legacy continues to inspire people to work towards a better future for all. In conclusion, Louis Pasteur was a pioneering scientist who made groundbreaking contributions to the fields of microbiology and immunology. His work on the germ theory of disease and the process of pasteurization had a profound impact on public health, and his development of the first vaccines for rabies and anthrax laid the groundwork for the modern field of immunology. Despite facing many challenges throughout his life, Pasteur remained committed to his work and his dedication to helping others. His legacy continues to inspire scientists and public health advocates around the world. Pasteur's work also had a broader impact on the world of science. His emphasis on experimentation and observation helped to establish the importance of empirical research, and his approach to problem solving has had a lasting influence on many fields of study. He was a pioneer in the use of scientific method to study complex biological phenomena, and his work helped to establish the field of microbiology as a legitimate and important area of study. In addition to his scientific achievements, Pasteur was also a gifted teacher and communicator. He was able to explain complex scientific concepts in a way that was accessible to the general public, and he used his platform to advocate for the importance of science in society. His work helped to raise awareness of the importance of scientific research and its potential to improve the lives of people around the world. Today, Pasteur's legacy continues to be celebrated and studied by scientists and public health advocates around the world. His work on microbiology and immunology laid the foundation for many important scientific breakthroughs, and his commitment to public health and the betterment of society serves as an inspiration to people in all walks of life. In conclusion, Louis Pasteur was a remarkable scientist whose contributions to the field of microbiology and immunology continue to be celebrated and studied to this day. His work on the germ theory of disease, pasteurization, and vaccination had a profound impact on public health, and his dedication to helping others serves as a powerful example of what can be achieved through hard work and perseverance. Pasteur's legacy continues to inspire scientists and public health advocates around the world, and his work will always be remembered as a testament to the power of scientific inquiry and the potential of human ingenuity to solve some of the world's most pressing problems.